Hello, I'm Atle. I'm a designer at Vivaldi browser. I'm into 3D printing. I've been for many years. I've always made things since I was a kid. My uncle was he used to repair old TVs, and I was very fascinated by him fixing them. Yeah, I think ever since I was a kid, I remember I've been building things, making things. I remember there was a Kickstarter campaign probably 10 years ago for a tiny 3D printer. And then it was so cheap that it's affordable to me to buy. And then I've always been into 3D modeling. So then the idea of being able to print the things that I modeled into a physical object made me really excited. And then once I got the small printer, I bought another one, a bigger one, and then I got two of them, and I got three of them, and then it just kind of grew. I love that the browser we're building has so many tools built into it. It's for people like me who want to get a lot of stuff done.
Hi, my name is Bahar and I'm a product designer in design team.
Vivaldi is different because it focuses on people's need, and every single person has a different way of using a browser. Sometimes I feel like browsers we have is really similar to Legos. I sometimes use it to create like scenarios or create our users' stories and just make it from the papers or from the screens to something in the room that I can feel it more tangible. Like when I was child, we didn't have Legos in Iran, and I saw it like because my cousins they were playing with it and I really wanted it. But at some point I moved to Denmark, which is the land of Lego, and I started to actually see it. I think I was 28 when the first time I played with Lego.
Hi, I'm Gaëlle. I'm working with Vivaldi community and its volunteers. We work with users every step of the way by listening and talking to them and not harvesting their data. So I have a master degree in environmental sciences, where I specialized in biology and aquatic systems. The first person who influenced me was my mother. When we lived in Germany, she was the first one to sort the trash because there was the system already in place and it was important to her, so she trained us at separating glass and paper and the rest. The reason I can relate to Vivaldi community is that as I'm supporting different environmental causes, they're very much community-driven, these causes, and it's really interesting to see similarities between these two communities that are very passionate and engaged and proactive. The community gives a huge push at Vivaldi in terms of product development for feature requests or fixing bugs, and it's quite impressive.